15 car gadgets that will upgrade your driving experience. The future of driving is getting smarter, safer, and more convenient. From intelligent cameras and emergency tools to clever accessories for comfort and security, today's car gadgets are changing everyday driving. Here are 20 impressive car gadgets worth knowing about. Number 15. Wolfbox G840S. This smart rearview mirror combines a 12-inch touchscreen with 4K front and 1080p rear recording, GPS, night vision, collision detection, parking monitoring, and wide-angle cameras help improve visibility and peace of mind. Number 14. Suntour Auto Car Cover. This automated cover deploys and retracts with a remote, protecting your vehicle from sunlight, dust, rain, leaves, and bird droppings. A solar panel and rechargeable battery make it convenient. Number 13. Magpie Roadmate. This modular kit packs 9 functions into one case, including a jump starter, tire inflator, pressure washer, foam gun, vacuum, wireless charger, speaker, and work light. Number 12. AstroAI B8. With up to 3,000 amps of peak power, this portable jump starter can help restart large gasoline and diesel engines. It also works as a power bank and includes a multi-mode emergency flashlight. Number 11. Magnalex Windshield Sunshade. Its reflective polyester construction helps block heat and UV rays, keeping the cabin cooler while protecting the dashboard and seats. It folds easily and comes with a steering wheel shade. Number 10. Fanttik N10. Smart Car Air Freshener. Cold air atomization distributes fragrance without water, with 3 intensity levels. Its rechargeable battery and quiet operation make it a compact way to improve the cabin atmosphere. Number 9. HOTOR Car Trash Can. This 2-gallon waterproof leak-resistant bin helps keep the cabin organized. Adjustable straps, magnetic liner snaps, mesh pockets, and a collapsible design make it useful for travel. Number 8. Lenevo H1. This cordless car cleaning system combines washing, foaming, protective coating, water recovery, and vacuuming. Its dual tanks, rechargeable battery, roller, extension handle, and removable vacuum simplify vehicle detailing. Number 7. Tryone Car Tablet Holder Mount. Designed for passengers, this headrest mount supports smartphones, tablets, and gaming devices from 4.7 to 12.9 inches. Its extendable arm and 360-degree rotation provide flexible viewing on trips. Number 6. Fanttik T10. This compact emergency starter delivers 1,800 amps and supports gasoline engines up to 7 liters and diesel engines up to 5 liters. It also includes USB-C charging, a display, safety protection, and an emergency flashlight. Number 5. Disklok Steering Wheel Lock. Unlike basic steering locks, Disklok covers the entire steering wheel. Its steel construction and resistance to cutting, drilling, and picking create a strong physical barrier against vehicle theft. Number 4. Givi 5-car seat gap filler. This simple accessory stops phones, keys, coins, and other items from disappearing beside your seat. Its flexible foam design adds organization without interfering with normal seat movement.